Why is it bad? When you go
what
live.
size is your TV?
This one?
Yeah, your TV at home. What kind is it?
60-inch flat screen.
And does it look like this?
Oh, I flipped it over. He's going again, so let me get him good.
What is it? Does it shoot a video that way?
Yeah, I'm live streaming right now.
Oh, okay.
So I'm on the herd page though.
There's a just say no to vertical videos.
Yeah, I know, but it won't let me do it live sideways.
Sideways, really?
Yeah.
So it's just a square. Basically.
Yeah. So because look, see, everybody can comment.
Okay. Did you get him spinning out? Nice.
They'll give him shit about it.
Well, it's the end of the day. Who cares?
Yeah, I don't care neither. I think it's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, when you live stream, you can't turn the camera sideways.
That's stupid.
Trust me, Woo, that's good.
I hated that corner.
Yeah. Everybody got some fishtail on it.
Well, I didn't feel like I mastered the corner. You give up?
Should I go question him about that spin out? Hey, Rob.
Hello.
Say hi to everybody at the herd.
Hello.